Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 11090. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that the water pump of your Conga 11090 is making a strange noise, you're not alone. This issue can often arise due to debris or wear and tear affecting the pump's mechanism. If left unaddressed, this noise can signal a more serious malfunction, potentially leading to leaks or total pump failure. To fix this, you'll need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a pair of pliers, some replacement parts for the water pump, and a soft cloth to keep everything clean. First, let's ensure we open the device safely. Begin by unplugging the Conga 11090 and laying it on a flat surface. Using a screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the panel is off, you should be able to see the water pump. The faulty component is usually located near the water reservoir. Look for any signs of damage or debris that may be causing the noise. To extract the pump, gently disconnect any cables attached to it, taking care not to pull too hard as this could damage nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the cables are disconnected, remove the screws holding the water pump in place. Make a note of the type of screws used, as you'll want to use the same kind when replacing the pump. After removing the pump, take the new replacement part and position it where the old one was located. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so to avoid stripping the threads. Reconnect the cables, making sure they are firmly attached but again, avoiding excessive force. Before you close up the device, it's wise to double-check that everything is properly connected and that no tools are left inside. Now, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws. Once everything is back in place, plug in your Conga 11090 and run a test to ensure the water pump is working correctly and the noise has ceased. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure to regularly clean the water filter and avoid using the device in environments with excessive dirt or debris. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.